called Thappad, starring Tapsi Pannu, and it's Ratna Pathak Shah. I mean, and Dia Mirza. I'm choosing to mention all the female characters since though this movie has been written and directed by a male director, it's one of the most female centric films I've ever seen. I mean, like, in terms of right from the opening scene, I mean, the life of everyday women in a city like probably like Delhi or like Mumbai, or basically it's a metropolitan city, but so much goes on, beneath the surface. So you need to watch a movie like Thappad to realize this, that you're, you know, it's, no, like, everyday life itself can wear you out. So this movie it gives you a glimpse of everyday life of a you know upper middle class housewife, but how her life changes after one, like, certain, I mean, it's a very this film makes a statement, and when you watch a movie like that itself, I think at some level one is like helping to empower this whole you know women's empowerment movement, I think. So yeah, Tapsi Pannu shines. Dia Mirza is also, she does her very best in any role that is given to her. So, and Ratna Pathak Shah, as always, I mean, put her into any role and she just melds, into it. So it's just beautiful. So really, people, so you all should try and catch it. It's called Thappad and it's on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.